does it say 20th Century Disney? Because I love Disney. And he's a lot better than 20th Century Fox. No, 20th Century Fox is better. And plus, it's not supposed to say 20th Century Disney. It's supposed to say 20th Century Fox. Whatever. Oh, don't you whatever me. Or I will have to put a kiss print on your cheek. Oh, yeah, major freaking cut. Why does it say 20th Century Fox Home Entertainment? Plus, it's not supposed to be so mirrored. It is supposed to be regular. And it's not supposed to say 20th Century Fox Home Entertainment. It's supposed to say 20th Century Fox. I love 20th Century Fox Home Entertainment added. So, maybe, I really wonder when this was invented. The same, probably in like 1994. Really? Somewhere like that. Well, 20th Century Fox wasn't even like this back then. I know. You know exactly what it is like. Okay, anyway, there's no time for messing around. You probably might not get this logo, everybody, so, okay. What are you doing? Cool, isn't it? Yes, but it's not supposed to be, it's not supposed to be, the searchlights are not supposed to be like, it's in a cartoon, okay? Okay, whatever. Plus, this has nothing to do with the logo, okay? So, ow! Ooh, my ears almost rang. Okay, everybody, turn down your volume. You're even lucky you told that to everybody, but that's my job. You don't run the studio, I do. If you would run the studio, then you do that. But I had the job to do that. I bet this reactor would see this. And who was that reactor? Super Godzilla Kaden? I saw 2 reactions of our 20th Century Fox Bloopers videos. So, I don't know. Hey, you don't get it. Be quiet. Sorry, this was on Europe and I had to put it so low. Okay, I hope you appreciate it. Okay. Cut! Why does it say no one cares? Because no one cares about those reactions of 20th Century Fox Bloopers? Well, there's only one YouTuber who reacts and nobody else. So he must see better. He deserves better. Yeah, he likes some of our bloopers. Okay, I just hope this video isn't too short, but you'll like it. Okay, anyways, this is your last chance. Oh. Okay, this is your last chance. Okay? So, if you don't get it right this time, you know what's gonna happen? What? I'm gonna boom your big fat belly out of here. Oh, you gotta be kidding me, man. So funny. Thank you so much. Now, get out of here before you're fired. Fine. I'm getting out now. Plus, I need some alone time. So please, everybody stand by. Woo, yeah.
I'll tell him every night before bed. You're the best. I love you, Dad. I miss all you guys and all my family.
Ah! Sorry that took so long. I really did have to drink some. Okay. Hope you all enjoyed.